Hey guys, what is going on? Aiden here, and today I'm going to be coming at you guys with a quick fix on why your desktop audio might not be working for OBS Studio. Now, I have been looking at this for weeks and weeks, and I have not gotten anything. I tried like every single YouTube video, nothing seemed to work, but I finally got it. Now, it's really, really simple, almost too simple. All you have to do is look up your sound, click on this, go to your playback, and then whatever your speakers are. So I don't know what you have, but I have high definition audio device. Click on that, and then click on properties. Once you do that, you're gonna want to go to enhancements. After that, you're gonna want to make sure you have bass boost, virtual sound, and loudness equalization all checked. Usually, I don't think they come checked, so make sure they are all checked. If they are, then I have no idea what your problem is. But if they aren't, this is most likely your problem. I have no idea why it's this, but it just is. Now, I can't guarantee this is gonna work for everyone because I don't know enough people that it hasn't worked for, but it did work for me, so I might as well share the information. So if this did help you, make sure you leave a like, and just to prove that it does work, you can see right here that the audio is working. So if it did help you out, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and as always, stay cool, and I'll see you guys next time.